Today we're looking for cleaning staff. Let's go. So, as a cleaning business owner, if you want to expand your business beyond just you, at some point you are going to have to take on staff members. But where are cleaners? Where do they hide? Where will we find them? Today we're going to look at 5 ways that you can find some cleaning staff for your business. Without further ado, let's crack on.
Number 1.
Go onto Google and you search job sites or job boards or job websites in your area. You will see a range of different websites that you can advertise on. Today we're just going to quickly look at 2 of the most popular and ones that I have used within my business. The first one being Monster. As you can see, pretty straightforward job site where you can put on your vacancies and candidates also put on their CVs. Candidates can apply, or you can actively go out and find candidates through the search function. The second account we're going to look at is Indeed. This is one I use in my business and have a lot of success with. However, please note that on the free post, you are only going to get a few inquiries per week. If you boost the post, and we normally boost it around £3 a day and run it for 7 days to a fortnight, you will get plenty of applicants to be able to choose from. A quick thing to mention about Indeed is you can actually create a careers page for your business. I really like this feature. I think it's very sexy. You can put up pictures of your business. You can put up the map of how to get you. You can put up directions about how to come prepared and what the candidate would need, and also it comes with a link that you can then attach to all of your socials and embed into your website. Number 2 is a social media. So as we mentioned before, you could take your link from your Indeed career page or another job site that you use and populate that link throughout your social media in order to attract candidates. If you have a Facebook page for business, you can actually attach an Indeed tab inside of Facebook. You can also put in your application and create a Work For Us tab, and you can collect CVs and job information and arrange interviews and do lots of sexy stuff.
Number 3.
You can use your very own website. Here I am showing you the vacancy page on my domestic business site. So this stays up all of the time, all year round, regardless of whether we have any pending immediate vacancies or not. So we can use the links from the career page in Indeed to drop into our website so that people can, as well as attracting candidates to your business. We also find this is a really good selling point for our clients. They like to have a little nosy on that tab and see what it is that we offer our staff and the training involved and the job role involved. And it works as quite a nice selling tool, and we hear that on quotes often. Number 4 is the word of mouth or the recommend. So if you currently have members of staff, you could offer a compensated reward scheme, incentive scheme, if they have any family or friends. If you are going to offer an incentive scheme, just my little 2 pence worth, make the payment at the end of the probationary period. Nobody gets paid on somebody automatically just joining, because we don't know how that person is going to work out yet. So in my business, we have used the job centre many times, and we have found them to be super duper useful. If you pop into your local job centre, you can speak to one of the career advisors there and ask them what days are their training days or their assessment days. You want to book a room inside the job centre, completely free of charge. And then the job centre will also help you fill in the gaps for your agenda. So you can book people in at your office, and then you can ask the job centre to help you with people they think will match your bill. We have used this many times, and we have found it to be successful many times. So now that we have got adverts all over the interweb on our website, and we've got our current cleaners and team members looking for new staff for us, all we've got to do now is whittle them down and then interview them. And so next week, we will be talking all about how to interview your cleaner. I'm going to give you the complete process to make you an interviewing aficionado. If you want to catch the video that we did last week on the different types of staff available to a cleaning business owner, you will find that here. And if you want to watch the series so far, all about employing cleaning staff for your cleaning business, you can catch that playlist here. I will be back here Wednesday. Until then, you have a very good week. See you soon. Bye-bye.